Hello everyone, today I would be teaching you how to get your voice chat back after being suspended on Roblox. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to go to Roblox support page. To do that, go to roblox.com/support. Once you're here, you will find a support form. You can write down your username and your first name, but both of them are optional, so if you don't wish to type them, you don't have to. What you need to type down, however, is your email address. So, just type down your email address and type it down again here on the confirm email address. Now, what you have to do below issue details is to first select the device you have the problem on. For example, I'm just going to select PC right here. Now here on type of help category, select moderation and it will bring down a second select box. So just click that and select appeal account. Now what you have to do is write down the description of the issue in this box down here. So you need to include any relevant information about the issue. An example would be, my voice chat is disabled without committing any violation. Again, this is just a sample. You can write something more specific or more formal than that if you wish. After you're done writing your issue, just hit submit. If you find this video informative, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this.